Welcome to Unit 3.4 on Compound Interest and Growth. In this video, we will explore how your money can grow exponentially over time.
Our learning targets include generating strategies to accumulate money, understanding the monthly spending circle, and determining spending versus saving habits. We will also articulate the advantages of saving earlier and often, and learn how to calculate compound interest. You can be a millionaire. Many people associate millionaires with celebrities or the very wealthy. However, there are 22 million millionaires across the country, and most of them are ordinary people. Fun millionaire stats show that 79% did not inherit their wealth. They worked and saved. Also, 62% graduated from public state universities, and only 31% had an average annual salary of $100,000 or more. Critically, 94% live on less than they make. The big takeaway is that anyone can become a millionaire, and the earlier you start, the better. Studies suggest that younger generations can become net worth millionaires by being diligent over time. It's time to start planning. We have focused on budgeting and reducing spending. Now, let's expand our thinking. What are 3 ways you can accumulate more money and increase your income? Think about making your money work for you, not just reducing spending. Consider the exponential growth of money. If you got a new job, would you rather earn a penny a day that doubles every day for 1 month? Or earn $1 million all at once? Reflect on your choice before and after watching the linked video. Watch the linked video, The Story of Jack and Blake and the Power of Compound Growth, to see a real-world example of compounding and saving earlier. Let's investigate playing with interest to find the exponential growth of your money. The steps involve adding 1 to the interest rate as a decimal, raising it to the power of the number of years, and then multiplying that by your savings amount. We will compare interest rates of 4% and 12%. Calculate 1 plus the percentage as a decimal, raise it to the power of the years, and then multiply by the amount saved, which is $500 in this example. Now, let's calculate how much your $500 will be worth in 20 years at both 4% and 12% interest. Also, consider how many years until you are 60 and the resulting accumulation at 4% interest.
One clear benefit of the earlier funder strategy is efficiency. They invest far less money, $16,000, but end up with a much higher total value, $515,100, than the later funder, who invests $64,000 but earns less. In short, saving early means more growth with less money, because time and compound interest do most of the work for you.
Looking at this chart, saving early has big benefits, but it can be tough in your 20s. Most people aren't earning much yet, and bills take up a lot of money. Even saving $2,000 a year can feel hard when you're balancing school, work, and loans. On top of that, retirement feels far away, and unexpected expenses pop up. So while starting early is powerful, it isn't always easy at that age. Based on the chart, what may make the, quote, earlier funders plan difficult to maintain at the age of 20 or 21? Reviewing the data, what do you think makes the later funder approach more appealing compared to the earlier funder approach?
Calculate how much more the later funder invested than the earlier funder. Be sure to show your math work based on the provided table totals. Calculate how much more the quote, earlier funder accumulated after 40 years of investing compared to the later funder. Again, show your math work.
Digging deeper into the earlier funder, the chart uses a 10% growth rate, an average over a lifetime. Calculate the total amount of money contributed and the profit after subtracting the initial investment. Use the compound interest calculator, linked on this page, to compare earning $100 a month for 10 years versus 40 years at 3% interest, compounded annually. Is it better to invest for a short or long period of time? Why?
Now this time, let us use the calculator link to compare $500 a month for 10 years versus 40 years at 3% interest. In which scenario did you earn the most money? Give 2 reasons why. Saving is crucial for long-term goals and emergencies. Given the scenario of earning $17 per hour, calculate your annual income. Then determine how much is actually saved at 5.85% and how much should be saved for 26 weeks of emergency funds.
Thanks for watching. Have a good day.